Alright everybody, it's the Shady Rest Paradise live at Port Clinton, and as you can see, we're going to be doing some close-ups of Andy Muller's car, number 7, named King Cole, aka the Mardi Gras car from the old City of New Orleans train from the Illinois Central. Get some close-ups there. Look at that. And this is actually going to be part of Andy Muller's office car special train. So whenever he's doing his OCS train, you will see it on that. And see King Cole over there. Ah, what did I just... Oh, okay. Stepped on a stick there. This is a nice job that Andy did to this thing. Sorry, it's a little slippery here. As you can tell, yeah, we still got ice on the rocks here. Just thawing away there. Let's zoom in there. Yeah, see that? Alright, let's make our way back to the other side of the car. And yeah, this is going to really look good on his passenger excursions. That's if he blends them in, which means he will. And maybe the area on the other side of the car will be a little less slippery. On that side, right where the rocks are, they are kind of slippery, but this is not really as slippery. But yep, this is the old Mardi Gras car from the Illinois Central City of New Orleans train. And Andy Muller is now the new proud owner of this thing. I'm pretty sure with how the way the rear, or yeah, that looks like the rear of the car. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the last car on the train, maybe behind his number 1, which is the Black Diamond. But yeah, this is number 7, named King Cole. And hopefully the next time I see this baby, or this puppy, or whatever the heck you want to call it, it will be actually on Andy. Will be on Andy's either his excursions or his office car specials. So, hope you enjoyed this little close-up video of it right here outside the steam shop here. No, the wheel shop. Excuse me. And just stay tuned to my channel for to see when this car is going to be on his first train that I'm going to tape it with, and have yourself a nice rest of your day, and stay tuned to my channel for more uploads. This is the Shady Rest Paradise, signing off.